Today we're installing a smart USB wall outlet. We start by checking our voltage pen and checking for voltage at the outlet. Then we flip the breaker off and verify no voltage. Unscrew the faceplate and the old outlet. Remove the outlet from the electrical box and unscrew and remove the wiring. If the wires are in good shape, straighten them out and clip them to size. The required strip length is usually shown on the outlet. In our case, the previous outlet was used as a jumper, so we're going to need to install a jumper for both the hot wire and the neutral wire. I find that if I twist the wires together before I put the wire nut on, the wires hold better when I'm trying to shove them back into the box. Here I'm just duplicating the process for the hot wire. Now I make a U shape at the ends of the stripped wires. And I attach each of the wires to the new outlet. New outlets typically have it marked where the hot wire and the neutral wire will attach. The only thing I'm really careful of is to make sure that the wire itself is in full contact with the plate and that there is no sheathing blocking the plate at any point. Once I have all the wires attached to the new outlet, I start the challenging process of getting the wires back in the box. Once I make sure I can get the plate flat to the wall, I remove the front faceplate to access the screws that'll screw into the electrical box. Then I secure the outlet to the box and screw the faceplate on. The last thing I do is flip the breaker and verify voltage in all areas of the new outlet.